Convolution Reverb is the quickest and easiest way to make almost anything sound more interesting, more unique, and more complex. And you can do this using the Convolve module in Trash 2. Notice though, it doesn't sound like reverb in the traditional sense. You don't hear a long tail or an implied cavernous space like this. Instead, Convolution Reverb in Trash 2 adds body, depth, and texture. But what exactly is Convolution Reverb and what are impulse responses? Impulse responses are .wav audio files, and these are the echoes recorded when you play a short sound like this in a room or space. A large cave might have a long echo, like this, but the Trash 2 echoes are much shorter. These short echoes therefore add body, depth, and texture, instead of making it sound like the audio was placed in a large cave or cathedral. This is a great way of adding width to a mono sound as it sounds more natural than most stereo imaging techniques.
Find them about another place. Find them about another place.
Some impulse responses are completely mono though, and so if you want to keep everything mono in the center of the stereo image, use these ones to add your extra depth and texture.
Find them about another place. Find them about another place.
Mixing in just a few % of this is the perfect solution to the headphone versus venue, dry versus wet issue, where a dry sound plays back best in venues and a wet sound best in headphones. Think of this as subtle depth that headphone users can hear and appreciate, whilst keeping things dry enough overall to play back cleanly and powerfully in live venues. You can also load your own impulse responses, any .wav or .aiff audio files. So you can use Convolve to create complex, delay-like reverb textures.
Dub, 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 dub.
Just make sure to increase maximum impulse length for longer examples like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.